There's a nice little intro for you. Day 14, Milestones, the old melody. This is such a great tune, and I've been meaning to learn it for literally years. I haven't transcribed the melody. I don't know why. Other things are up. I'm practicing other things. You know how life goes. This bridge, pretty tricky. One thing I'm really loving about this challenge, this 30 days of bird, is that it's making me do things that maybe I put off and I procrastinated on. So now I have to make myself do something I've wanted to do. So it's really enjoyable. I've been singing this melody for years. I love this melody. I did it. I did it. I loved it. That was super fun. Here's the bridge and the melody out. And for some extra fun, I even did it at 1.25 speed. So here we go. So I just want to be real for a second here and let you all know that I've really seen some changes in these past 2 weeks, and they've been significant. Now, I'm not starting from nothing. I've been working at this craft for a long time. Most of my life I've been playing music and listening to music, so it's not like I just started playing, but it's hard work. This shit isn't easy, and I'm making videos on top of that every single day, on top of practicing and being a dad and having a job and all this stuff. So if I can do it, you can do it. I hope that you're inspired by this and pick up your horn each day and work a little bit. Those little bits of improvement, don't sleep on those. Those are important. Those are important to your progress. No one said this stuff is easy. If this was easy, everybody'd be doing it. So those little bits of progress, hold on to those. You fought for those. You worked hard for those. Don't forget that. They add up. Those little bits keep adding up and adding up and adding up, and hopefully make you see and believe that anything is possible as long as you work towards it. A little bit each day will make significant changes in your life, in your music, in your attitude, in your ability to see what can't be seen. All right, I'll see you tomorrow. Later.